Hi, welcome back my budget techers. If I got a deal for you. A Zeus Rogue Thor. Yeah. Mighty Hammer Thor. 1200 certified watts, fully modular. RGB power supply with live dash OLED panel. You can't beat that. Being able to see what you're doing on the fly, no problems. It's well worth every penny. June 6th of 2022, you can see I picked it up. 4.7 ratings out of 5,358 people. 355 answered questions for you in case you need questions I didn't cover. It's an 80 plus platinum. It's the power supply. You can get it with Wi-Fi 6E, LGA 1700. You can pretty much customize the crap out of it, whatever you want. I personally went with this one because it's pretty awesome. It really is. For the power, you got more than enough power to push any kind of system you're running, plus a lot of extra goodies and add-ons that you're really going to enjoy. It's modular, RGB lighting. It has a Aurora sync that you can use to customize and sync the lighting effects with the other compatible hardware in your system. Integrated real-time power draw so you know exactly what you're doing. Wing blade fan design keeps this thing nice and cool and nice and quiet. You don't want a loud screeching fan power supply, just making a bunch of noise.
Subtitle, repeat.
Has your famous ROG heat sinks, which they're known for. They're customized to cover critical components for longer lifespan and less noise. Exactly. You want a powerful power supply that doesn't make a bunch of noise. And even maxing this thing out, running 4K games, recording, I can't even begin to push the limits of what this thing can do. It's 80 plus platinum certified. It has the top capacitors that ensure efficient operation. You definitely want to look for 80 plus platinum certified. Excuse me. Fully modular and sleeved cables. The premium cabling creates a clean aesthetic. It makes it look good. They're sleeved cables. They're premium cables that are used to create clean aesthetics. They're braided, which makes them stronger and last longer. Like I said, it's worth the extra money. Plus right now it's 8% off, so go snag it. I will leave the link in the video description below. Always check there. This power supply is going to give you what you need for years to come. I do have some video coming up where you can see it in action. Oh yeah! Okay, there's a good sexy look for you. Yeah. You can see for yourself, it looks incredible. And it goes great with any build, really. I've been running it non-stop and it's a performer, man. It's a workhorse.
They'll be back. I'll just wait.
You're awesome. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hey, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate that. Also, if you want to see more videos, click the boxes. See you in the next video.